When it comes to style and swag, Nigerian male musicians don't play. From designer outfits to traditional wear with a modern twist, these stars are redefining what it means to be fashion icons. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best-dressed Nigerian male musicians who consistently slay the fashion game. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the African giant himself, Burna Boy. Known for his fearless sense of style, Burna effortlessly blends high-fashion streetwear with African-inspired prints. Whether he's rocking a custom Versace suit or a vintage fella-inspired outfit, Burna's looks are always on point and uniquely his own. Coming in at number 4 is the calm-down hitmaker, Rema. As one of Nigeria's youngest stars, Rema represents Gen Z fashion with his edgy and futuristic streetwear style. From oversized jackets to bold accessories, Rema's wardrobe screams confidence and creativity. At number 3, OBO, Davido. Whether he's flexing in custom designer suits, Louis Vuitton hoodies, or traditional agbadas, Davido's wardrobe is always dripping in luxury. With a love for flashy jewelry and top-tier brands, Davido proves time and time again that he's not just a music mogul, but a style icon too. Our number 2 spot goes to Starboy, Wizkid. Known for his minimalist yet sophisticated style, Wizkid is the king of effortless cool. From tailored suits at international events to casual yet chic streetwear, Wizkid always delivers clean and classy looks. And let's not forget his love for exclusive designer brands like Dolce & Gabbana and Dior. And taking the number 1 spot is none other than the Coco Master himself, D'banj. D'banj's style is all about bold statements and high-energy fashion. With his love for extravagant suits, daring colors, and unique accessories, D'banj has been setting fashion trends in the Nigerian music industry for over a decade. No one does it quite like him. And there you have it, our top 5 best-dressed Nigerian male musicians. Who's your favorite style icon on this list? Did we miss anyone? Let us know in the comments below.